All right, everybody been asking me updates on the 65 Impala. The AC, it used to belong to AC from the Majestics. Okay, frame. It got done. It has reinforced. It's reinforced. It's been done by Brian from Takeoff Hydraulics. He partial. Is it a partial or full wrap? I can't remember if it's a full wrap or a partial. I gotta watch out because of the doggies. Doggies, you see the big ass hose? Okay. No, it's a fucking full. No, is it? No, I say it's a partial because it stops here. It's not the belly. It's the belly's not fucking wrapped. But I think it's a partial wrap. Okay, it's gonna be a coilover now with the Hoppel's Y bone. We have the Hoppel's Y bone. We have the coilovers. Okay, but the situation with this is Primo got surgery done and he was out of work, and then COVID hit and it pushed him even way behind. So right now he's told me to skip him until he tells me he's ready. But the frame got done. It got messed up because you haven't with all this weather and shit. But the frame got done. Hoppel's 3-link. No, the Y bone is here. Coilovers is here. I think we went with a 12-inch stroke in the rear. I can't remember. And I think an 8-inch stroke in the front. But I can't remember where they chrome because he still wants his chrome suspension. This car had a chrome suspension. So he wants his chrome suspension. Oh, motherfuckers. Fucking big old puppies. And the car's over here. The car have not been touched since I took it off the frame. And that was the beginning of my YouTube career. I think we 2-3 years into YouTube. And that's it's haven't been touched. Everything's still where's it at? Everything's here. What I'm thinking, if I'm gonna drill and make sure that it has enough concrete so I can bring the lift and lift it up here again. But yeah, this is this AC from the Majestics, but now it belongs to my primo Snoop. But this, if everybody knows it, from AC from the Majestics 65 Impala. They used to call it Men in Black, I believe. It was Men in Black before the movie even fucking showed there it goes right there. See? Men in Black. It's before the movie of Men in Black. But it's all the suspension, dry shaft, the 13s, fuel tank is trash, all this all these quarters, the 13s are there. Fucking tire. I'm gonna take that tire. But yeah, there it goes. Everybody been asking for updates on it. We haven't really touched it. Like I told you, Brian from Takeoff Hydraulics did the suspension on it. I believe he reinforced it. It has new bottom control arms. Because he went with the ball joint, that little ball joint, that power ball, I think it's called. I'm new to the lowrider shit. But yeah, that. But again, we are going to get back into it until Primo Snoop tells me he's ready. For right now, it's still in his location. The garage is already falling on it, the door. What is it touching? I don't know what is it touching, but I'll see. I'll come another day and try to fix it for him for his garage door. So he can close it at least. Because the dogs go in there and they live in there. But yeah, this is it. It's a big old puppy. But yeah, this is it. This is the 65 Impala. Everybody been asking for updates. I just been super busy. I'm sorry. But yeah, when you get back into it, remember, this is the beginning of my YouTube career. We were just working, not talking. But when we get back onto it, we're going to explain a little bit more of this of shit we're doing to it. But yeah. I don't know when exactly, but that's up to Primo Snoop. But it's still here. We haven't touched it. A lot of stuff got done. But again, we haven't touched it. So when Primo Snoop decides to get back onto it, then we start back on it. But meanwhile, it's put. All right, catch you on the next videos.